Hi, I'm Jason. If you own a landscaping business, one of the hardest things to manage isn't finding customers. It's keeping track of your crew. Maybe your employees work at 5 different properties every day. One crew starts at a residential lawn, another is installing mulch across town, another is trimming edges at a commercial property. By the end of the week, you're trying to answer questions like, who actually showed up? What time did everyone start? How long were they at each property? And did they finish the work? And also, did they upload photos? And how many hours should everyone get paid? If you're still relying on paper timesheets, phone calls, or text messages, payroll can quickly become frustrating. The good news is there are apps designed specifically to solve this problem. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you what I believe is one of the best GPS time clock apps for landscaping businesses, and that's Connecteam. I'll be walking you through exactly how I would set it up if I were running a landscaping company, and by the end of this video, you'll understand how it can help you schedule your crew, track employee hours, verify job locations, organize daily work, and prepare payroll. We'll be building a complete workflow. This is how it will look. Customer books a landscaping service, crew scheduled, GPS clock in, job checklist, photos uploaded, crew clocks out, payroll ready, timesheets. Now let's jump in. By the way, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up and test out Connecteam for completely free. There are plenty of time tracking apps available, but here's the reason why I like Connecteam. First, because it combines several tools into one platform. So instead of using one app for scheduling, another for messaging, another for checklists, and another for time tracking, Connecteam brings those together. For a landscaping business, that means that your crew can view today's schedule, clock in with GPS, complete job listing, and also upload photos, communicate with the office, clock out, all from one app. Now, once you have tapped the link in the description, you'll be redirected to Connecteam's homepage. From there, you can select Start 14-day free trial and you'll be able to sign up. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, the first thing you want to do is you want to add your business name, company logo, and business hours. To set this up, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see my name here. And then from there, you could select settings. After you have selected settings, you'll be able to fill in the company details as you can see right here. You can also go over to the left hand menu option and from there you could upload your company logo and you can add in all of the company information right there. Once you have added in the company information, the next thing I want you to do is add your crew members. To add crew members, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select users. After selecting users, you're going to tap on add user and you have numerous options that you can choose from. You can either choose to invite them via link. You can choose to import users. For example, if you have them saved on a CSV file, you can upload the CSV file or you can tap on add manually. And one of the things that I really like about Connecteam is you'll be able to add up to 10 users and still use the small business owner plan for completely free. From this section, you can fill in their first, last name, mobile number, and then from there, you can also add in their birthday and when they began employment with your company. So you can fill in that information right there. After you have added in the information, the next thing I'll be showing you how to do is schedule your crews. Now, imagine today's job looks like this. Crew 1, 8 a.m. will be going to the Smith residence, weekly lawn maintenance, and crew 2 at 9 a.m. will be going to Oak Business Park for a landscape cleanup. To set up a schedule, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select schedule. After you have selected schedule, what I want you to do is tap right where you see location list and you're going to tap on create new. And this is where you'll be able to add in the locations that the crews are going. So you can put in a location name. Then from there, you can put in the address right here. And with Connecteam, you can also toggle on geofence. So you could toggle on geofencing right there, which is a good option also for landscaping business. After you have added in the location, you're just going to tap on the X right there. Then the next thing I want you to do is you're going to tap where you see add. And you're just going to select right here where you see add single shift. After you have selected add single shift, this is where you'll be able to add in the shift. So for example, you'll be able to select the location. So let's say I were to select Smith Residence. Then from there I can select the date. So they'll be working today, and it will be from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So I'll simply scroll up and I'm going to be selecting 12 p.m. right here. After I've done that, I can scroll down. Now I'm going to be adding the crew members. So this member right here, and I'm going to be adding a second crew member for example's sake. After you have added in the crew members, all you need to do now, you are going to tap on publish. Once you have selected publish, they're going to automatically get a notification on the app, and they'll also automatically receive an email notification. So they'll be notified that their shift has changed and has been updated. Now that you have done that, the next thing I want to show you is the GPS clock-in feature. So you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option once more, and you're going to be selecting time clock. With the time clock feature, they'll be able to open the Connecteam app, and they are going to tap on clock in. The app records employee, start time, GPS location, and shift. This gives managers confidence that employees have arrived where they are supposed to be. Depending on how you have set up your account, you can also use the geofencing option that I was showing you earlier, so employees can clock in only when they are within an approved work area. This can be especially useful if your crews travel between multiple job sites throughout the day, and you'll be able to monitor everything in this section right here. As you can see right here, you can see the map, so you'll be able to monitor which crew member is at a particular location, as you can see here. And again, you can use this platform for free, so you can definitely test it out. Now let me show you how to create one of my favorite features, digital job checklist. So imagine today's job is lawn maintenance. Instead of relying on memory, every crew follows the same checklist. For example, weekly lawn maintenance, mow lawn, edge sidewalks, trim around trees, blow driveway, remove debris, check irrigation heads, lock customer gate, and final walkthrough. Now let me show you how to set that up. You'll go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to tap on add new. After you have selected add new, you're going to tap right where you see form. You're going to tap on add right there. After you have done that, you're going to select add new in the top right hand corner. And normally there are templates that you can use. So for example, we can select template right here. Then you can scroll down, and depending on the niche you're in, so for example landscaping, we could type in landscaping right here, and you probably see a template that you can use. If you don't see a template, you can customize one, or you can create one from scratch. Okay, for a landscaping business, you'll need to create one from scratch. But for the sake of time, I don't want to draw out this tutorial and make it too long, so I'm just going to be using a sample template. Let's say for example I were to select this one. I'm just going to tap on select this template. After you have selected the template, you can see the checklist right here, and you can customize it. So you could tap on the pencil icon, and from there you could add in your own checklist. And you can also see a preview of how it will look on a mobile device, as you can see from this section. Now let's imagine another crew is installing mulch. You can also set up a different checklist. That checklist could include remove old mulch, weed flower beds, install landscape fabric, spread mulch evenly, and also clean walkways and final inspection. Different services can have different checklists, helping every crew follow the same standard. Also, when it comes on to Connecteam, when the crew is finished with their job, before leaving they can choose to upload photos. So you can add in that section. All you need to do is tap right where you see add field. From there you're going to select image upload, and you can type in, for example's sake, I can quickly type in a description. For example, I could label it proof of job completion. Then I'm just going to toggle on required. After toggling on required right here, we're going to tap on confirm. So that means that whenever they have completed a job, they'll need to upload the photos, as you can see right here. So once they have uploaded the photo, you will now have proof. For example, it can include before mowing, after mowing, finished flower beds, and fresh mulch. These photos are incredibly useful. If a customer later asks, was this area cleaned? You already have documentation showing the completed work. They are also great for quality control. Managers can quickly review completed jobs without driving to every property. Another thing that I also like about Connecteam is you can use it for team communication. Now, landscaping schedules change all the time. Rain delays, equipment breaks, and also emergency jobs come in or customers reschedule. Instead of calling every employee, you can send an announcement. So I'm just going to be discarding this for the moment. Now to set up this, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option once more, and from there you can use the chat feature. If you don't see the chat feature, you can tap on add new and you'll be able to add the chat feature. Now with this, you'll be able to send announcements. You'll also be able to communicate with an individual member, or you can choose to communicate with a team. So you have different options that you can explore in this section right here. The other feature that we'll be talking about now is the possibility of storing important documents. For example, it includes equipment manuals, safety procedures, chemical handling instructions, and company policies, and also customer instructions. To add those documents on Connecteam, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Add New. From there, you can select document as you can see right here. And this is where you'll be able to add all of those documents. You can also use Connecteam to train new employees, as hiring seasonal workers is common in landscaping. Instead of repeating the same training every time, you can upload onboarding materials. So for example, you can go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Add New. Then from there, you could select onboarding. And this could include lawnmower safety, for example, string trimmer safety, trailer procedures, and also equipment maintenance, customer service, plant identification, and chemical safety. New employees can complete much of this training directly from their phone, and managers can also see who's completed required training. Now let's see how everything works together. The customer books service, crew receives schedule, GPS clock in, complete landscaping checklist, upload photos, and GPS clock out. Timesheet automatically updates. At the end of the week, management reviews employee hours before processing payroll instead of adding up written timesheets. Everything is already organized. Now, who would I recommend Connecteam for? I think it is an excellent fit for businesses like lawn care companies, landscape maintenance, landscape design companies, mulch installation, tree service companies, irrigation companies, snow removal businesses, and also garden maintenance. Basically, any business where employees travel to multiple customer locations throughout the day. So in conclusion, that's why I think Connecteam is one of the best GPS time clock apps for landscaping businesses. Instead of juggling spreadsheets, paper timesheets, and phone calls, you can build one organized workflow where your crew knows exactly where to go, clocks in at the job site, follows a standardized checklist, uploads photos of completed work, and automatically records their hours for payroll. Whether you're running a small lawn care business or managing multiple landscaping crews across your city, Connecteam can help simplify your daily operations while giving you better visibility into what's happening in the field. And as I said earlier, with Connecteam, you can start for free as they have a small business plan, and then from there, once your crew size has increased, you can go onto one of the paid plans. Hope you found this helpful and informative.